Hey guys, so are you into motovlogging and using the GoPro for recording the external voice, and you've been having the media mod, then you have the lapel mic which is internally connected to your helmet. You've been using it, the voice is all good, and suddenly one day you see that all of a sudden your voice has stopped working, or you're getting that crackling noise, or or there is a lot of wind buffeting which is coming into the helmet, and the voice clarity is kind of gone for a toss. And you're absolutely worried that, dude, what's wrong with my GoPro, or what's wrong with my media mod, where it has gone wrong, why my voice is not coming up clear. You're landing up on the right video, because I'm going to explain the details in this video as to what could have gone wrong, because I also faced a similar issue, and after doing a lot of research I figured out it's issue with the lapel mic. So I'll play you a clip where you can see that if there is an issue with the lapel mic, what kind of the issue you would be facing. It can be your crackling noise, or it can be a lot of wind buffeting which is coming into the helmet and causing that issue where the voice is not clear. You are so much passion to create that motovlogging, and these kind of issues create so much of a problem where you're not completely satisfied in terms of what you are trying to create and bring a content to the viewers. Keep moving in the same pace. Chalo, record kar raha. On the side profile of the motorbike, this is how it looks. And I'm also checking out my GoPro also. It's been quite some time since I've used GoPro. Okay, so that would have given you a fair idea in terms of lapel mic doesn't work. What kind of the voice might be your GoPro is recording. So whenever you come across such thing, you think that it's time for you to change the lapel mic. Now I will show you a clip where after replacing the lapel mic with a new one, how the voice clarity is. Look at this. The time now is not even 6 o'clock, and it's a very bad traffic. Whew. Little behind it was much more actually. Have that orange color coming up in the sky. Whew. Mic check. Hello, this is a mic check. The metro work is going on here towards the airport, and the work is in a full flow actually. I've just crossed the airport toll. That's if you go towards the left, that's the airport. Now we are going towards the Nandi Hill side.
So guys, just look at this lapel mic and look at the cable, how long it is. I did not expect this to be this longer. Okay, the previous one from Maono, which I have used, it's not this lengthier, but look at this. It gives you an idea that how long it is. Okay, so there it is. You can see how I have managed to fix somehow inside the helmet. Okay, so there's like so many rounds it gone roundabout. Please, I have put back all the paddings and wearing the helmet now. The thing is, with all this setup, I'm still feeling comfortable. More we will get to know only when we ride for a little longer. So after a bit of riding and creating some content, I've stopped here for a little bit of a quick breakfast. The actual breakfast will be at home only, but since I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I thought I'll stop here and have a little bit just to fill up my stomach. So I have ordered for a bun and a tea. I really enjoy the bun over here. This is Srinidhi Vaibhav. This is towards the Nandi Hill when you go. That was it about today's video, and I hope that this video will be helpful for you guys, especially if you're into motovlogging, finding the difficulties with voice clarity, with the GoPro stuff, etc. So there's a serious issue with people planning to do a motovlog with the GoPro. It's kind of very
cumbersome, the stuff with the GoPro. I heard that DJ have really solved a lot of problems with this motovlogging thing, where you have 3.5 mm jack. Easily, you can connect to any label mic that way. So probably if this time I find any difficulties with the GoPro, the next switch will be definitely to the DJI one. But for now, if the issue is resolved for me as well, then definitely I'm going to stick with the GoPro, because it's actually a very new GoPro what I bought some 2 years back. No issues with the video thing and all, but it's just a major issue with the motovlogging, especially with the mic thing. But yeah, so if you are also facing the kind of a problem, then this fix will definitely help you out, and probably give a try, and let me know in the comment section if this has helped you. And I feel it's the lapel mic which is a major cause of the issue.